All right. Well, welcome to day 118 of development on Terra Factor. Yesterday we left off getting performance good. It's now good in the factory. We're hitting a fat almost 180 frames most of the time, which is my target monitor refresh rate. We can move on to the problem that actually matters, which is how do we make a good factory builder survival game? Day 118, let's do it, dude. We are very close to doing the next version. Next round of play testing, version 19. I think before I want to put it out, I want to just go over some of the suggestions in the Discord about improving automation a little bit, like belt crossing, and then splitters as well would be good. And then some kind of power pass through. I think that'd be cool as well. So I think today is going to be automation improvements. So let's get it done. Looking forward to the automation additions. I've kind of run out of things to do, so having some new stuff to mess with would be nice. Yes. And that is the exact problem that we are here to solve. I got a little some playtime metric, so we can check this every day. Nice little number that can go up, 322 hours. This is the total amount of hours that everyone has spent in the game. Now, I think one of the biggest annoyances with automation right now, let me show you. You're trying to change your factory around a bit. Like, oh no, the suckatron is sucking up the things that I'm trying to pick up. Oh shit, man. So I want to solve this problem. It's been pissing me off for so long, dude. Today I'm drinking a 1-day-old Macca's coffee without the lid because I like to live life dangerously. It's a bit watery, but it gets the job done. Runway check. We got 26 yesterday from the Twitch earnings estimate. Negative 30 on the day expenses. We are sitting at a sum of $31. We are in the green. Hell yeah. Shout out to all the homies who left a dono. Let's get it, dude. All right, so I've got a hunch for what we can do to solve this problem. One, just add a filter. So, we could have a second kind of row up here in the UI that would let you choose which items get sucked up. That would probably solve this for the most part entirely. And then the other thing, just make it so that it needs power in order to operate. Because then if you get into this loop and you're like, oh shit, I want to fix this. You just break the power. The power line got sucked in. And then it would kind of turn off and it would be good. It would also be really cool, dude, to have a power line that is a switch that you could go up and like click and like, turn off and on. Then we could start getting into some pretty cool stuff, man. Eventually, my whole goal with this power system is to make it Turing complete. I have no idea how that's actually going to happen, but it'll be fun. Really just giving the player more tools to be able to express what they want to do in the game, right? I think it'd be awesome. All right, so I solved the issue of, building around suckatrons simply by just adding a cooldown to the items. So, we can suck these up. Or we could walk away. Actually, that's not hitting the range. Or we could walk away and, that would get sucked back up. Nice little middle ground. Improves quality of life with this a little bit, which is good. We still need the item filters, though, purely for gameplay, I think. Or maybe not item filters at this level, but maybe, like, filters at the extraction level. I'm not sure. Like, it would probably be better to just have either a filter on the extractor that would let you kind of like branch off like this and filter stuff out. Like, that would probably be better. I don't know. I think that is the UI for it. Filter extractor. This is going to be huge. All right, moment of truth. We got the filters set. Nice little UI for it. So we can go over here, mark up some logs. Same with this guy. And if we chuck in some logs and some fiber. Magnificent. All right. That's filters done and dusted. It's just something about factory builders, dude. It's like Lego. I think that's it. Oh. Yes. Oh my God. That is so clean, dude. So imagining like a tiny little sound effect here that happens every time it flashes past, like a boom, 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 boom. That'd be pretty sick, dude. Moment of truth. Do we have splitters? It's splitting pretty good to me, dude. That looks like it's splitting. Oh shit, man. Phallus, you can now pass cables through a line like that, Minecraft Redstone style, if they're going in a straight line. It won't work at a right angle. But this way you can kind of tunnel through conveyors real quick. It should be good. There is one more thing that I would like to do with the conveyor belt crossover thing, but I'm gonna have to leave that for another day. All in all, successful day, I'd say. Splitters are in, and we now have filtering on the extractors. Some nice quality of life for the factory. Also, you can destroy things without it getting sucked up immediately into the suckatron, which is always great. But yeah, that's going to be me done for the day, and honestly done for the week. I think over the weekend, I'll just try and get this in a state. I'll just try and get it in a shippable state, and I'll probably just silently push out a playtest. Other than that, I'm probably just going to try and think about what my next steps are in terms of design and making the game better. And I'll just let that simmer over the weekend. So I'm not really sure where to go from here. Really, it's probably just going to be a matter of doing a playtest and seeing where the problem is. But I really suspect that it's just, hey, needs more content. So therefore, what is the extra content that gets added in? I have no idea. I guess I'll let that simmer over the weekend.